how to post a job on LinkedIn. So if you want to post a job on LinkedIn, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply go with your browser, and on your browser, you need to search for LinkedIn, and you need to make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged into your LinkedIn, I need to just go with the jobs section, which is on the top. And from the jobs here on the left side, you need to go with post a free job. So if you want to post a job, go with post a free job. And from here, you need to enter your job title, the company, and then you can go with start hiring with AI, or you can also start with my job description. So enter the title. So I'll just simply enter the title and go with the company. And after that, go with start with my job description. And here you need to enter your job description, like the responsibilities, qualifications, and after that, go with continue. And you'll find people. You can review applications. And after following the process, you will post a job. Make sure to enter the information correctly. And that's how you can post a job on LinkedIn. And if you have any confusions or if you have any questions, you can feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.